I choose to release all the negative things I've ever heard about money. I know the exact amount I need to live my dream life. I have very clear and specific financial goals, and I'm moving closer to those goals every single day. I am capable of making as much money as I want. I always ensure I get paid what I deserve. I have the ability to save any amount of money I set my mind to. I can afford what I want, and I'm going to figure out a way to get there. I will pay off all of my debts. I'm so good at handling my money. I choose to face my current financial situation head on. I pay all of my bills on time and in full. It's okay to have a lot of money. I check in with the money I do have on a daily basis. I love paying my bills because it allows me to have a good life. Every day, I create more and more healthy money habits. Money is good. There is no limit to the amount of money I can make. I am enough. Just like a good friend, money is there when I need it. I forgive myself for all the money mistakes I've made in the past. The cost of living is so low compared to my income. I am so grateful for all the money I have in my life. I now let go of all the guilt and shame around money. I love the feeling of being in the black. I am worthy. I deserve financial freedom. I now let go of any jealousy or envy of others who seem to be doing better than me. Money is like breath. I need to give and receive. It doesn't take a lot of money to make money. Money is good as it can change lives. I can be a wealthy person who does good in the world. My self-worth is not determined by my net worth. The more money I have, the more people I can help. Making money is just too easy for me. Having a lot of money doesn't define who I am. I can manage my money very, very well. I know what I give out comes back to me. Lots of people benefit when I buy something expensive. Everyone wins when money flows through me. I can talk about money openly and confidently. It's okay to make more money than my parents did. I am worthy of abundance. I believe in myself. I embrace my success and everything that comes with it. I dream big because I know deep down my dreams will come true. Money is easy to get. Money is all around me. I can be wealthy and still be true to my values. Money comes in faster than it goes out. I can do what I love and make money. I am genuinely happy when I see others coming into money. I decide to be rich now. Thanks for watching Affirmation Centrale on YouTube. For more life-changing affirmations, be sure to check out our growing playlists, and remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.